Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Mini Cooper engine cover. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Next, gather your tools. Typically, a flathead screwdriver or a small pry tool is all you'll need. Take a moment to visually inspect the engine cover and identify all the attachment points, which are usually clips or bolts. This initial check helps you understand the cover's design and how it's secured. Now, let's start detaching the fasteners. Many Mini Cooper engine covers use plastic clips that simply pull up or unclip. For those, a gentle but firm pull should release them. If you encounter any plastic rivets or push pins, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry up the center pin first, then remove the entire fastener. Remember to keep track of where each type of fastener came from to make reinstallation straightforward. With all the clips and fasteners released, it's time to lift the cover. Double-check that no hidden clips or bolts remain attached. Grasp the engine cover firmly with both hands, usually from the sides or corners. Apply steady, even pressure and lift the cover straight up. It should slide off the mounting posts without much resistance. Avoid twisting or forcing it, as this could damage the cover or the engine components underneath. To reinstall the engine cover, simply reverse the process. Carefully align the cover with the mounting posts on the engine. Once aligned, press down firmly on each corner and along the edges to ensure all the clips and fasteners snap securely back into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's stable and won't vibrate loose. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.